We just checked into West Glacier yesterday. We're heading to West Glacier to check it out, and we'll take you guys along with us and show you what it's about. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you guys?
Not too bad.
Anyone need a map today?
Yes, please.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Yep. That is cold. So on the first day, we went to Lake McDonald and we rented motorized boats. They usually only fit, it's 4 people or 660 pounds, but because we have 4 little kids, they allowed us to do 6 people. And so it's $35 an hour. So we did an hour because the middle of the lake was kind of choppy, and so it made it a little bit difficult to like get around the lake because there was one side of the lake that had eagles nests, like 3 eagles nests, and you weren't supposed to go next to them because you could spook the parents and make them not want to come back. So we did an hour and it was actually really beautiful. We loved it. Houston's never been on a motorized boat before, so that was really cool.
Not the driver anyway. I was never the driver of it. So it was pretty cool to drive a boat and yeah, get that experience. The kids had a lot of fun.
The water was super cold, but they still loved it. They enjoyed it a lot. Put their hands in the water. I'm glad we didn't fall in because it was like ice cold.
Oh, it was freezing temperatures, that's for sure. Like, yeah, but we had a great time, and yeah, I would recommend it if you have
time in West Glacier and you're by Lake McDonald. The $35 is well worth it. Even if you do 2 hours, that would be pretty cool too. And you can fish off the boats if you have, but you have to bring your reel and your tackle or whatever, because they don't have it to rent or anything, so you do have to bring it.
I would bring it. I definitely forgot mine at our house. I should have brought it, and yeah, we could have went fishing and maybe.
So I'm gonna hop in first just to show you guys how the motor and everything works.
Okay.
And then after I'm gonna hop out, untie the boat, and help you all get in. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So whoever's driving, can just take a seat right over there. All right. I'm just gonna have you demonstrate how to turn it off and then turn it back on again.
So just push it off.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep. And you can push it, or you can always pull off the key. Both will stop it, and there's no right or wrong. And now, because it was just running, you don't need to prime it again. So you can just pull that, and it'll start again. Yep. There you go. All right, awesome. Do you guys feel comfortable with how the engine works? You all ready? Of course. Yeah. All right, cool. I'm gonna push you off. You can put this shifter in a forward idle, like that. There you go. You're welcome. Have so much fun, guys.
Thank you. Rui, smile. Woo! Is that fun?
Captain Houston today.
You're so what?
shut off that engine. Perfect. How was it out there?
It was awesome.
A little bump?
Thank you.
Pretty nice.
Yeah.
Kind of choppy in the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was nice though.
Not too bad coming back against the
No, it
wind.
was nice. Okay.
And you can use my shoulder or anything if you need to.
Thank you.
Yep. If you just want to go up to the ticket office, Sydney will be able to check you out.
Okay.
You can take your life jackets, give them to you.
Awesome. Thank you. So when we were on our trip in West Glacier through the national park, there's a portion called Pole Bridge, and Pole Bridge has this little small bakery, but the food there is amazing. So if you guys are ever in West Glacier National Park, Pole Bridge, there's a little shop there that's amazing.
And if you think you went too far and you're lost, keep going, because it's like 22 miles,
From
20 miles
Canada.
from Canada border,
Yeah.
and it was well worth it. I thought we were lost. Olivia said no, we keep on going, so we did. We just kept on going, and
It's down this like really like it's like a dirt road that just has like rocks and dirt. So you kind of think you're going to a wrong spot, but you just follow the signs that say Pole Bridge, and it's right there. It is pretty close to the Canadian border too.
But it was a beautiful drive, longer than I expected, but it was well worth it. Like Olivia said, the food was phenomenal. That turkey sandwich was warmed up. They had some.
They had a meatball sandwich too, but they were sold out.
That was gone. It
Yeah,
was
we
sold
wanted to try
out.
it, but it was sold out.
I think the guy in front of us had like 4 of them, so they must be pretty good.
Yeah.
We were half tempted to go back and try it today and see if we could get some meatball sandwiches, but tomorrow is move day, so.
Okay. Josh. Oh. Okay. Well, what did you do? No, I already introduced him. But I already told him, I was like, Aggie's down in the basement. Logan's around somewhere. Everybody else is new inside, so.
Oh, I saw him like stand right here and he didn't say anything, so I was like, okay. I assumed it was good, but some are just trendy.
Yeah, I love
And
it.
you saying it tells me that there's
I didn't think it's not right.
yeah.
Placed on the national register.
I know, right? You know? Yeah.
On the third day of us being in West Glacier, we decided to go fishing because Houston really wanted to catch some fish. What is it?
It's a rainbow.
Ooh.
Man, I knew I'd get him. Oh, look, he might be a cutthroat. He's got horns.
Oh, it's too
I'm
little.
gonna go catch another one.
It's too little. He's too little. guys. So overall, we spent about 4 nights in West Glacier at the KOA, and we enjoyed it. I think a lot of we just realized that we want to come back, but like later in the season, probably next year, we'll come back and come later in the season, probably with one of Houston's really good friends, and enjoy it a little bit more. Just the road to the sun, because of that avalanche, we couldn't go any higher than Avalanche Lake, so that kind of stunk, but we enjoyed our time, and we're ready to move on and show you guys some more of our journey. We'll see you guys on our next adventure, and keep watching. I hope you guys enjoy.
Like, subscribe, and follow us for